Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the exact device model and current TWRP build so you don't flash the wrong image. Once done, make a full backup of ROM, data, and EFS using a DB or current TWRP. This protects you if something breaks. Next, download the correct TWRP image for your model and update a DB/fastboot on your PC. Make sure USB debugging is enabled and the bootloader is unlocked. These first actions let you enter fastboot and flash safely. With prerequisites ready, boot the phone into fastboot and confirm the connection with fastboot devices. Then run fastboot flash recovery TWRP. This writes the image to the recovery partition. Do not reboot into the system immediately. Use fastboot reboot bootloader or boot directly into recovery to prevent stock ROM from overriding it. If the TWRP provider offers an installer ZIP, sideload it from recovery to make the change persistent across reboots. This sequence ensures the new recovery is finished by booting straight into the freshly flashed TWRP and check the About screen to confirm the version. Once stable, you can flash optional add-ons or reboot into system. If TWRP is missing or crashes, restore your backup immediately and inspect recovery logs for error messages. Make sure you use the exact image for your model. If not, reflash the correct image. As a quick fix, wiping cache and Dalvik, or reflashing the same TWRP image, often resolves boot and compatibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.